The utter Chicaneries betrayal by BJP Goa and BJP Delhi stands exposed. I always maintained that the Goa ministerial trip to Delhi meeting with Amit Shah was zero result. After this meeting, there was no press release nor any statement about the outcome, but we were told we would be informed in due course of time. I honestly believed our Goa Chief Minister and did not do politics. The claim of the Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah is shocking, especially that the matter is resolved along with Goa government. While BJP claims that we should not do politics about Made, and which I agreed, we are seeing that every action of the BJP Delhi and the BJP Goa is a sword into the hearts of the Goans. Anyone from the BJP telling us now that the only hope is in the legal route is deceitful. I am at loss to understand the statement that our application for urgent hearing has not been given a fixed date and would most likely be taken up before 13 February 2023. In my practice of law, I know that when matter is mentioned for urgent circulation, fixed date is requested and given, sometimes overnight too. I wonder whether this date is a computer generated date and we may never see a hearing. Goa Chief Minister, I wish to ask whether he has misled the House and the Goans on the altar of politics. Now Goa Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant needs to clarify and strongly condemn these statements so that people know the truth and know who is lying, whether in Goa or whether in Karnataka.